it is best for one or two EAs to use. The list of available servers at the moment. Netherlands is the best, but you need to select the location enable only IPv6 with the CPU 8 cores and 40 GB of RAM, password not SSH key. So I will just unselect this option, remote desktop connection. Welcome to the 12th class. We already have completed the development process, the backtesting process, optimization, and now we have finally saved the set file. Here you can see in the folder we have this set file. Okay, we just saved this file in the previous class. And now we have to set up this EA on our demo account for testing purpose to verify the results. Before going live, every EA must be optimized and must be tested on a demo account. And once everything goes fine, then start using that EA on the live account. When we are working with the algo trading, we don't know when a signal will appear. It can be at any time. So we must have an active internet connection and active working laptop or maybe PC. Most of the time, we are not able to provide power backups, stable internet connections, and any other on-site issues. To avoid all these problems, it is highly recommended to use a VPS. VPS means a virtual private server. To set up the VPS, you need to go to the description and there is a link, best and cheap VPS. The original link is the zombro.com and you need to select this link. When you click on this link, you will be redirected to this Zombro and they will ask for cookies acceptance or terms and conditions. Just accept and then click on sign in or sign up, and then you can continue with Google and then simply click on the continue, create the account or not. It may take few seconds. So I have not created an account, so you need to click on the sign up process here and then click on the Google. So here it will create a new account based on our Google ID. It may take few seconds or maybe few minutes to create a new account, and after that you just simply need to click on the login with Google and that's it. The account is created and confirm the email to be able to receive notification. Yes, I will confirm the email later. Our account is created. Here on the profile icon there are user settings and verification and all these things. I just simply need to click on the order and cloud VPS. Click on it and there will be multiple options to choose. Different RAM, different CPU power, different storage, and we will select the best one. From here we will select at the moment a shared CPU. It is best for one or two EAs to use, but if you are planning to use multiple EAs, I will strongly recommend to use the dedicated CPUs. And here below the list of available servers at the moment. Right now, it have Intel XQ Gold up to 3.7 gigahertz and DDR4 SSD and 1000 MBs of internet connection. I will select the location. I think so Netherlands is the best, but you need to select the location as per the server location of your broker. Netherlands is the best location, and from the server image, you have to select the server Windows server, and from here you can select any. I will select 2025, and from here I will select enable only IPv6. Okay, uncheck. I will uncheck this one, and then I will proceed with 1 year because I am planning to use the EA not just for 1 day or 1 month. I am planning to use for a lifetime or as my career business, so I will definitely think longer. If you have budget, you must choose the yearly option and you will get some discount on the final price. You can select the best for you. At the moment for me, I think so it is best to use the Zen Intel with the CPU 8 cores and 40 GB of RAM. Simply click. If you have short budget, you can simply click on the share CPU, and then once the list is loaded, you can select the best one as per your available budget. From here I will select 1 year, and it is better to proceed with the at least 4 core or 6 core. with a RAM of 42 GB with a disk space of 240 GB. Okay, I will proceed with this one. And then below I have to use password, not SSH key. You must have to select the password, enter your password here. At the moment I will use a strong password, but you can write your own password like any number. Okay, at the moment I will use this one. We don't need any backup, so I will just unselect this option. Sport tire, I think so it is better, just a basic sport tire. And then parameters, our name, I will type the name VPS 7, and everything else is fine, and that's it. So final, I have to pay 489 euros per year for the next 12 months. It will be mine. If I keep paying every year, the system will stay mine. Okay, so I just need to click create instance. It may take few seconds to create this instance, and then they ask for the payment method. There are multiple payment methods. They accept crypto, PayPal, and MasterCard. Here you need to fill your information and then simply pay. And once you pay it, you will receive an IP address, a username, and the password to log into this VPS. And once you receive an email having the IP address, the username, and the password, you simply need to go to the start button and click RDC remote desktop connection. This is the default application of the Windows. Click on it. Here you need to put the IP address like this one, and for example this one is the IP address. You have to show more options. Here you need to write administrator. Most of the time they provide administrator as the username and the IP. Allow me to save the credentials, yes. Once you click the connect with the right IP address and the username, you have to put the password that you write to while you are creating the VPS. And after that, simply click the yes, and you will be logged into a new PC that will be a Windows operating system, exactly same as our PC. And on that you can download the MT5, install the MT5, download any browser, access to your broker's account, and that will be exactly same as you are working on your own PC. If you want a step-by-step detailed video on how to set up a VPS and how to install MT5 on the VPS setup account, let me know in the comment section and I will record a new dedicated video. I hope you enjoyed this course. Don't forget to share this course with your friends and like the videos. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.